channel. I'm gonna make a video real quick because I'm gonna go right here in Perris near where I live. They have like a little drag strip, and I guess they're doing a little car show like burnout pit. So I'm gonna just go. I mean, I had nothing to do. Me and my girlfriend are gonna go real quick so I can make a video out of it, and then I guess you're gonna give out awards like best truck and all that. So hopefully, because on the trophy for the best truck is a rare single cab 4, so I'm like, it's meant for me, like exactly my body style, everything. That award is meant for me, so hopefully I can get the award. But we're gonna pull up. We're about 25 minutes away. It's not too far from where I live. Hopefully it's a pretty good show. I don't know how it's gonna be. Like I said, it's street legal drag race. It's a racetrack. It's a small little, I think it's an eighth of a mile or smaller. Like I said, they're having a little car showing, so I'm gonna just go and see what's up. Because I guess they're gonna give out awards and all that type of stuff. We're gonna have music, the burnout pit, food. So I had nothing to do. So me and my girlfriend are just gonna go real quick, see what's up. But yeah, I'll record more as we get there. We just pulled up to the legal dragway. There's a good amount of cars. I think this area is like the car show part is a little awkward. Like, show them around. It's like the cars are scattered, and then there's like a burnout pit over there. So we're gonna go to the burnout pit right now. We'll see what kind of cars there is. There's a lot of classic cars. There's not a lot of trucks. There's a couple ones. There's a couple nice ones, but we'll see what's up. So we've just been walking around looking at the cars. There's not a lot of cars, honestly. Like, not too many trucks. There's a lot of old classic cars, but in total it's probably like 20 cars, not a lot. We've just been looking at the pit because, like I said, they have a pit, so people are going in there and swinging it. There's a lot of cars. There's a pretty clean CTSV in there that was going crazy. Then there's a Hellcat too. There's a lot of nice cars that are swinging it, which I'm surprised. But yeah, we just came to. My phone's about to die, so we're charging the cars. It's a little hot, so we're in the AC. I don't know when they're gonna give out the awards. We low-key want to leave already, but I don't know. We're gonna see.
Yeah, it looks like the light. I saw the license plate and I saw him. Oh, okay. He said his dad had the same model, but he's got with the car.
Now we're going over to the truck. Sorry, I don't have my notes. Benito has his F-150, which has the Ford Performance Package on it. Tell me what's in it. Is it all-wheel drive or? So that's the hot setup in drag racing today. It's kind of hot in Texas for sure, but it's starting to come to California. A little ironic that I actually a truck, which is his truck, and I don't even know Benito. So there you go. Congratulations.
So I just got back home from the meet or the truck show. I ended up winning the best truck. It was a pretty cool little event. Like I said, there was a lot of people swinging it, doing burnouts. It was pretty cool. There's a lot of nice cars too, like nice Hellcats and stuff. So I ended up coming with the best truck of the show. So this is the first award I've gotten at like any truck meet or truck show, whatever. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool little award. It looks like a little magazine. I like it. It's funny because even the guy that the owner that set it up, when he gave me the award, he's like, "Oh, what a coincidence, you know, that I picked the red F-150 for the cover of the award, and that's the one that won." So it was pretty funny. But yeah, it was a pretty cool little event. I'm probably gonna go there again to do because they do a lot of drag racing. So I want to go record a video on drag racing my truck just for fun, you know, race other cars. It's a small drag strip. It's not too much. I think it's a 1/8 or a little bit smaller. I think it's not too big. To just shoot a video, you know, race with my friends or like any other cars that are there. So it'll be pretty fun. But yeah, that'll be the end of the video.